Hey everybody, Scott here. Welcome to Guitar Theory. In this video series, we're going to be discussing a variety of musical topics, including music theory, how to get it on the guitar, some cool guitar stuff, and just some general music information. Today, we're going to be talking about the Berklee Chord Lab. And these chords can be referenced in the Berklee Modern Method for Guitar, Volume 1 by William Levitt. The first set of chords are four basic chord shapes that are based off of a major bar chord shape: G major, G7, G minor, and G minor 7. Here's that first set of four chords. The second set of chords are based off of a root position on the 5th string, and they are going to be C major 7, C minor 7, C dominant 7. To run those chords down, the major bar chord shape, if I use G as an example, will be at the 3rd fret. It's a full bar at the 3rd fret. Add your 2nd finger on the 3rd string 4th fret. 3rd finger is the 5th string 5th fret. Pinky's the 4th string 5th fret. To make that G minor, all we need to do is pick up our 2nd finger. To make it G7, 2nd finger's back down on the 3rd string, pick up your pinky. And to make it minor 7, we're just going to pick up our 2nd finger off of that. So those are your first four chords, all based off of the 6th string. The chords based off the 5th string: C major 7. First finger is on the 5th string 3rd fret. 2nd finger is the 3rd string 4th fret. 3rd finger is the 4th string 5th fret. Pinky is on the 2nd string 5th fret. C major 7. C minor is going to be a bar at the 3rd fret, adding your 2nd finger on the 2nd string 4th fret. 3rd finger is on the 4th string 5th fret. Pinky is the 3rd string 5th fret. C minor 7 is pick up your pinky off the C minor chord. C dominant 7 is going to be a bar at the 3rd fret. 3rd finger's on the 4th string 5th fret. Pinky's on the 2nd string 5th fret. So the first section of Chord Lab is the same chord progression, but it goes through 4 different keys. Each chord progression is going to use the same 8 chord shapes, and it's a great way to practice your chords, get used to note names, and it's pretty much a bar chord workout. The first chord progression starts on F. Let me play it for you, and then I'll explain it. It's going to sound like this. I am playing that super straight. I'm just playing quarter notes on the beat, and let me run that down for you. On the Chord Lab, you'll see that it's got a chord name on top and a Roman numeral underneath. That is telling you what chord to play, and the Roman numeral is the position to play it in. So the very first chord is F major at the 1st fret. It's going to be a regular major bar chord right at the 1st fret. That's going to last for 4 beats, and then it goes to F7, still at the 1st fret. Then it goes to B flat at the 6th fret, same chord at the 6th fret. Then it goes to B flat minor, and we are through the first line. Second line goes to A minor at the 5th fret. A minor 7 is just pick up your pinky off of that. A flat minor 7. G minor at the 3rd fret to G minor 7. C7 based off the 5th string, still at the 3rd fret. And that is the second line. Third line, we're back to F major at the 1st fret. F7, still at the 1st fret. B flat major 7, still at the 1st fret. B flat minor to B flat minor 7. Last line is F major at the 1st fret. G minor 7 to C7 at the 3rd fret. Back to F major at the 1st fret, B flat minor still at the 1st fret, last chord F major. The second chord progression is going to start on G, and it's going to sound like this. Again, I'm playing that super straight. It's the exact same chord progression as the first one that started on F. Starting on G at the 3rd fret, G7 still at the 3rd fret, C is going to be at the 8th fret, C minor still at the 8th fret, B minor at the 7th fret, B minor 7, B flat minor at the 6th fret, B flat minor 7, A minor at the 5th fret, A minor 7, D7 still at the 5th fret, back to G at the 3rd fret, G7, C major 7 still at the 3rd fret, C minor to C minor 7, back to G at the 3rd fret, A minor 7 to D7 at the 5th fret, back to G, C minor, G. The chords are the same, but the note names are different. The third chord progression is going to be the same thing, but starting on A. Sounds like this. Starting on A at the 5th fret, A7, D at the 10th fret, D minor, C sharp minor to minor 7, C minor to C minor 7, B minor to B minor 7, E7, you're still at the 7th fret, back to A at the 5th fret, A7, D major 7, still at the 5th fret, D minor to D minor 7, back to A at the 5th fret, B minor 7 to E7 at the 7th fret, A, D minor, A. The last chord progression is the same thing, but it starts on B flat. It sounds like this. B flat starting at the 6th fret, B flat 7, E flat at the 11th fret, E flat minor, D minor at the 10th fret, D minor 7, D flat minor to D flat minor 7 at the 9th fret, C minor to C minor 7 at the 8th fret, F7 still at the 8th fret, B flat back to the 6th fret, B flat 7, E flat major 7, E flat minor to E flat minor 7, B flat at the 6th fret, C minor 7 to F7 at the 8th fret, B flat, E flat minor, B flat. That is the whole first section of Berklee Chord Lab. Have fun.